Hello friends, welcome to AutoCAD online training presented by BIMLABS Engineering Private Limited. BIMLAB is an Autodesk authorized training partner. I am Kevin Shibu, working as technical engineer at BIMLABS. In this section, we are discussing about the topic working with attributes. Attributes are those information that are stored inside a block. To go to attribute settings, first go to insert option. Then in block definition panel, we have define attributes. Or we can simply type the command att. Enter. Consider we are doing attribute for a door. So for tag, I am writing door as ID. My tag ID is door. Next is the prompt section. Here we have to specify a question like enter the door ID. Enter the door ID. Next, if we have a default value or default name, we can give it here. Next, text settings. First, justification. We can do justification for our text like left, right, align, fit, middle, center. There are a lot of options. I am selecting middle center. Next, if we have a text style or if we want to give a text style, we can choose it from here. Next, if we want to specify the text style, we can give the value here. Next, on the left side, we can see a mode option. If we want to change the position of the text attribute, unmark the lock position here. This enables us to move the attribute position. I am setting back to lock. Next, we have option called invisible. If we don't want to visible the attributes in drawing, select the tick mark to invisible, else untick it. Here, I am unticking and press OK. I am placing my attribute here. Same way, we can create next attribute. For that, I'm typing att, enter. Here, I am providing tag as name. Next, I am asking a question like enter name. And I am doing justification to middle center, text size standard, and text size I change it to 20. Then I am selecting this option so that our new attribute will align below the previous attribute. And I am selecting OK. Now we can see our new attribute name is aligned below our first attribute door. Same way, I am adding another attribute. I am giving tag as size. Next, I'm asking question like what is the size or enter the size. Enter the size. I'm doing justification to middle center and to the side as standard. I'm changing the text size to 20. I'm selecting this and press OK. Next, we are creating a block. For that, to go to block definition, type B, enter. I'm adding a name of door tag and picking a base point here. I'm selecting the object and press enter. Here I am selecting delete option and press OK. Now our block is created. To insert block, type I, enter. I am placing this block into the drawing. Now we can see an edit attribute. First, it is asking the question like enter the size. I am entering the size as 120 into 120. Next question is enter the name. I am entering the name as main door. Next is enter the ID. I am giving ID as D1 and press OK. Now you can see our attribute is created along with this block. In this, we have another option called block attribute manager, or the command is Batman. B A T T M A N. In this, we can sort or edit the attribute in the block. In edit option, on attribute tab, we can make visible or invisible the attribute and press OK. I am making it invisible. Now our size tag get invisible in the drawing view. I am pressing OK and OK. Now we can see our size tag get vanished. To make it visible again, go to Batman and in edit, make this unselect and press OK and apply. We can see our size tag become visible again. By the way, you can create custom attribute with blocks. That's all for this section. Thank you.